Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how papaya juice is made, from fresh raw fruit to ready-to-drink bottles.
This one is ready. 2 green, send it back.
Viscosity is stable at 4.2.
Purification levels holding steady. Everything looks optimal.
The automated system efficiently separates the seeds from the pulp, resulting in a smooth, high-quality puree. Every batch is refined and tested for quality. We need to increase the speed on this line. Make sure the robotic arms are calibrated correctly.
Every bottle is carefully inspected before leaving our factory.
And that's how papaya juice is made, from raw fruit to ready-to-drink bottles.